ये वाला
लास्ट टाइम हमने खाया था, तंदूर में बनाया था।
तंदूर में ये बना सकते हैं, सॉफ्ट ये बना सकते हैं।
सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर द पॉपलेट
आपकी इच्छा।
और
सुरमई नहीं खाएंगे,
चलेगा सुरमई।
कोई बात नहीं।
सुरमई करें,
बता दो।
पॉपलेट विल बी फाइन।
कौन सा करूँ?
तंदूरी।
पॉपलेट तंदूरी करो।
यस, पॉपलेट तंदूरी करवाना हमारे लिए। कितना टाइम जाएगा इसको?
पकने में तो 10-15 मिनट लगेगा।
थैंक यू सो मच। ये क्या है? प्रॉन्स गोल्डन फ्राई। ओके, it's actually looking very yummy. What do you say?
Amazing, it looks good. Let's see.
Really amazing.
Thank you.
So guys, we've come to try fish, okay? And this restaurant is situated in Koregaon, Film City Road, okay? So
let's try the prawns.
I guess it's a Szechuan sauce with this,
I guess.
and it's prawns golden. Actually golden color है.
मतलब ज़्यादा डीप फ्राई नहीं किया हुआ है, इट इज़ फ्राइड टू परफेक्शन। लेट्स ट्राई। I will say that वो जो outer layer है उसका, if you see the outer layer, it is not really, prawns छोटा सा नहीं है, it is very filling, and at the same time the prawns, if you see, prawns are really very stuffed, like अच्छा prawns जो use किया है, they are very nicely this thing. If I had to show you the prawns, very nice size, I would say. It's worth very nice. The coating, it is going really well and crispy, and the combination with that, the sauce is going really well.
Yum. Guys, do visit this restaurant if you're seeing this video, because it's like more than you think for the fish.
Chicken double fry. Chicken sukha double fry.
रत्नागिरी स्पेशल डिश करी सोल कड़ी।
मालवनी रेस्टोरेंट में और सोल कड़ी नहीं पिएंगे तो makes no sense, right?
Indeed. Very nice. Basically, kokum and coconut is blending really well.
Yeah, milk.
With that spice, the spice level is really good. वो गले पे नहीं लग रहा, which is normally happens when you make a soul curry. So it is blending really well. I'm sure the food which is coming and the food which is here already, the prawns, it is outstanding. Apart from that, the double dried your chicken. So let's see the gravy first. I'm sure you can have it with the roti as well.
Yeah.
Wow. It is really very nice, and to give you the flavors, it has got coconut as a base, and yes, it is blending well with the spices which is there. Not very well, not very spicy. You can have it like that as well, and it is my favorite, I would say.
So what do you think? This is Kerala style, Goan style?
It is not both. Basically, it's a Malvan style.
Okay.
Goans are basically different. This is nice.
It's looking amazing.
It is looking amazing. पॉम्फ्रेट ने पेट भर के खाना खाया था लग रहा है. Look at this.
It's out of words. So let's start. No?
I cannot wait to jump in. And this is तंदूरी पॉम्फ्रेट. बहुत अच्छा फ्लैश है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक छोटा पॉम्फ्रेट नहीं है. डिसेंट साइज.
जो हमने रॉ देखे थे अभी वो लाइव हो गया है.
दिस इज शो स्टॉपर है. नथिंग लाइक इट. आई मीन यू कैन से वो तंदूर का जो फ्लेवर है, जो टेस्ट है, यू कैन नॉट डिस्क्राइब इट बेसिकली. वेरी नाइस. यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग. आई मीन लाइक दो अनियन सैलड है, जो और डेकोरेशंस है, मिंट चटनी है फॉर श्योर. यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग. दिस इज जस्टिफाइंग द टेस्ट बाय इटसेल्फ. Very well made. It's like melting in a mouth. You just need to keep it and enjoy the taste. I'm enjoying.
Cheers. Mr. Ketan, अगर आप आते हो तो definitely meet him. And look at this. भाई साहब एक ही टाइम एक ही खाओ. Just jump into your stomach.
It's okay. I'm just waiting. कि दोनों खा सकते हैं साथ में.
Guys, this is fish rasa and vade. Your favorite?
My favorite. Any day. Basically बात ये है कि if you're not having like अगर यहाँ पे you can have full थाली as well, which has your pomfret, surmai and all other fishes which are decently priced. अगर आप वो नहीं खा रहे हो, you can order one fish which is fried, which is just soft. You can order a curry. And they have, you can separately order like vada, Malwani vada basically, which is really very nice. It blends really very well. And जैसे मैं हूँ, मैं फिश ज़्यादा गोवा में ही पसंद करता हूँ because I love Goa. So अगर मैं गोवा में नहीं हूँ और मुझे फ़िश खानी है, there's no other way, no other place
than this. Ratnagiri.
Wow.
Amazing.
No words yaar.
It's actually worth coming here.
It is ultimate food. Ultimate. Every single food we had its own taste. Tandoori fish was the stealer. Apart from that, this curry is really very nice. I mean, cannot go wrong with this. It's really very nice.
So guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And yes, after 2 days, meet you all with new video